Hey, today we're going to be introducing our HTP Inverarc 160 Plus. We're very excited about this machine. It's a dual voltage machine, so it can run on 110 and 220. It is 160 amps. You're able to stick weld with it. You're able to TIG weld with it. This machine was designed on the concept of simplicity, so you are not going to have any pulse features. We do not have any high frequency features for the TIG portion of it, but this lightweight 18-pound lunchbox is heavy duty. It'll take care of all your needs. Here are the specs on the machine, so feel free to pause. In this example, with this machine, I was stick welding 3/16 steel with an 1/8 inch 70/18 rod. Very smooth start, welded beautifully. I really like the crispness of the machine. As far as the weld, it came out very nice, even on both sides. A little bit of spatter, and that's a little from me, from rod angle or whatnot, but otherwise it came out very, very nice. So this is an example of our carbon steel weld with this machine as well. Came out very nice. This is thicker material, roughly about 1/4 inch. 3/32 filler rod we were using on this guy, but as you can see, you can get a very nice bead even on both sides with this machine. So this is our example for our TIG welding with the 160. This is schedule 40 stainless steel pipe. Came out very nice. I was using 1/16 308 filler rod. I would have preferred to go up just a hair, but this is going to be an example of all your pipe welding features, and I did a really good job. So with this machine, it is a lift start, so that means your TIG torch is hot at all times. So if you accidentally set down the torch and make contact with ground, it is going to try to initiate an arc, so that's one thing you have to be mindful of. Another thing I quickly want to go over is with this particular TIG welder, there is no remote on it, so whatever amperage you set it to start with is going to be the amperage that you're going to be to finish with. So if you're doing, you know, bigger run, you're going to be stuck with whatever amperage you are, and you do have to lift to break the actual arc. Other than those two, I guess, limitations, I would say that it welds very well in the DC form. Like I said, I would have liked to have a little more filler in it. I think I was welding a little too fast as trying to get up and go just because I have a set amperage, but with just a hair more time of me practicing with it, I would essentially nail it every time.